friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. So this is the third, I think, look in my Pride series for this month. This is my take on using the colors in the bi flag. Now, I've never really quite made a big announcement about this. Like, I'm not secretive about it. People in my life know, but I've never just made like a huge announcement, so to speak. Like, I don't know who knows and who doesn't know, but I am bisexual. This is my flag, this is my team, and I'm really excited to support and represent and just show off my colors, basically. It feels kind of weird saying that out loud in that manner, because like I said, I'm not secretive about it per se, but I've never just like come out and just spoke it to the world, so here we are. Hi! Anyways, in case you're new to my little Pride series here, I just wanted to really showcase different parts of the LGBTQ plus community. I wanted to do looks based on a bunch of different flags. I think I have 7 or 8 planned total, something of that nature, and I'm really just excited about this series in general. Everyone's been super loving and supportive, and I really appreciate it. I'm also showcasing small artists that are part of the LGBTQ plus community down below, so like I've said in other videos, if you have any artists that are small that you recommend, even if it's yourself, let me know so I can put you in future description boxes in this series. I'm also putting the link to donate to the Trevor Project down below. They are a wonderful organization that basically just helps with suicide prevention and stuff like that in the teen LGBTQ plus community. So yeah, I just want to do what I can to show support and love and everything like that. Like I've said before too, my DMs are always open if you need to talk about anything at all. I'm here for you. Anyways, the tutorial portion of this kind of starts weird because I decided midway through a makeup step that you will see that I decided now is the time to film, so it starts very abruptly. But let's just move on with it. I really like how this look came out and I can't wait to show you how I did it. Hello, I know I look crazy. I just was in the middle of doing my makeup to prepare for this video and I thought maybe you guys would want to see me use the new Colourpop blush stick. This is where we're at so far. This is in the shade Mini Me. I didn't know what shade to get, so I got one of the duos that had Mini Me and Star Brite, the highlighter. I just kind of swirled some of this on my cheeks, and now it's been sitting for like a minute, so let's see if it blends out. I actually already wore this today in my video that goes up after this one, I think. It's like a Flare Oceanic palette bingo, and I really liked it. Oh, it's so cute. It's such a good little pink color. I really like this product. It blends out really nice. It goes on top of my face nicely. I'm dipping in. I just kind of put my sponge right on top of the tip for a second just to grab a little bit more. Blends like a freaking dream. I need so many more of these. They're so pretty. So now I'll put on that highlight stick. Again, this is in the shade Star Brite. And before I just kind of literally just rubbed some of it right on the tops of my cheekbones. I don't have any powder on my face yet, by the way. I have my concealer on, I skipped foundation, and I put my cream bronzer on, and then I put a little bit of that blush on before I turned the camera on. So that's where we're at. I don't think these would layer well over powder, however I have not tried it myself, but typically creams do not layer well on top of powders. And the highlight tip of my nose, in between my, like the bridge of my nose area, maybe a little bit on the forehead, chin. I feel like this one too, you could also just put some on the actual sponge. Oh, this is my non-dominant hand, what am I doing? So pretty user-friendly if I'm being honest with you as far as cream products go. One of the easiest cream products I've used. So now I'm gonna set my face. I've been using this Pop Beauty Contour 101. I've just been kind of swirling my setting brush in and dipping into the matte highlight shade and just going to town. And really, I don't want to mattify all the stuff that I just did because I like this creamy look, and realistically, I'm not wearing this long term. So this is the second tutorial I'm filming today, and after I'm done, I'm just going to edit and then go to the gym in a bit. So I'm just going to worry about setting like my under eye and kind of this middle T-zone of my face. Now I want to top a pretty bright pink blush on top of things. I was gifted the Saharan Volume 1 palette from Juvias Place. And it's so pretty, and I want to dip into this color Zane, and it's so cute that it's called Zane because that's my fiance's name. I'm going to dip in literally ever so lightly just to add some bright pink all across my face because I want to showcase that bright pink that's in the flag, you know? I'm really excited about today's video. Because like I said in the beginning, this is my flag. I don't really talk about it. Wow, that's a lot. Holy cow. Mayday, mayday. I don't outwardly talk about it a lot just because, I mean, it's not necessary for me to just speak it all the time. But it can also just be kind of daunting when you are a bisexual person and you're in a long-term relationship with someone of the opposite sex. People almost invalidate you. Like, oh, no, you're not actually because you're with a man. Like, that doesn't take away my sexuality just because that's who I ended up with. You know what I mean? I'm sure a lot of you know what I mean. I'm sure a lot of you can relate. Oh my gosh, I almost regret this decision. I will be able to pat it out. Don't you worry. We will make it work. Wow. I've never looked crazier. This is the most blushed I've ever been in my life. I'm gonna take this clean brush. This is a clean powder brush. I'm just gonna kind of start swirling over top of everything to try to buff this out more. And then I'm gonna tap over everything with my sponge. I don't normally do any kind of baking or anything like that, but I was kind of sloppy with everything, so I'm just going to kind of place some powder right underneath my cheekbone to clean things up just a little bit. I don't normally like to do this, but it does offer a solution when you're a bit messy. While that's sitting, I'm going to take my cute little freckle pen from Lime Crime. I'm going to add some freckles while we sit. No rhyme or reason. I don't think I'm going to do too many in this look, just like a cute little sprinkle of them. Right across the front and a little bit on my forehead. And now for highlight, I've just been using the Jeffree Star Crystal Ball. I've said it a million times, but I don't love his Skin Frost formula. But for some reason, this one's kind of growing on me. I don't know what's going on. I know this is one of the better ones that he came out with. I don't know though. Something about it is growing on me. I'm not really going to put it on my forehead though, because I don't want my forehead to look textured. I'm really happy that you guys have been liking this series and you've been being so positive. I haven't had one person be negative so far, and that warms my heart. This is just one big place of love and acceptance. I know I'm very heavily blushed, and I'm sure it's gonna bother some people that I'm this blushed, but I tamed it down to a better level of blush for me. And that's about it. I'm just gonna set my face now with this Tarte Ready Set Radiant Mist. And now I'm just gonna zoom you guys in. I'm gonna prime my eyes with my Sigma eye primer in Ignite. I'm not gonna set it. And we're going to create some bisexual pride eyes. All right, hello. I have a vague idea on what I wanna do, but also not totally. I do know I'm gonna take Planchette from the Creepy Cute palette from Strobe Cosmetics. I'm just gonna take a large fluffy brush, and I'm going to start swirling that all through my crease to act as kind of the transition shade for this look. So it's going to blend out the blues and purples that I'm going to lay down in the crease nicely. This is such a good lavender shade. I love it so much. I think I'm going to take it all underneath that lower lash line also. And now I'm going to be using the Pinky Rose Cosmetics Exotic Peacock palette, and I'm going to start first by taking Truth and start just kind of focusing that in the outer half of my eye. And I'm going to not let it go much farther than halfway through the crease because I'm going to place purples in that front portion. Same with the lower lash line. I'll place it a little on the outer half, but not all the way through. Are you guys going to be doing any Pride related celebrations this month? I would love to know what you guys are doing, or if anything goes on in your town. I don't know if my town's doing anything. I know that we do a Pride festival, but I don't know when it's happening. I'll have to look into that. Maybe I am going to go do something. I'm also going to dip into Dreams in the same palette and just kind of deepen up that very outer portion with a smaller brush, just to really add some pretty blue depth in this outer half. I need to watch Love, Simon again sometime soon. It's one of my favorite movies ever. It's the cutest coming out story in the world. If you guys haven't seen it, you need to. It's so precious. I've seen it like probably 10 times already. In case you guys couldn't tell, I'm going for a very grungy smoky with this look. Lots of blown out colors, all sorts of stuff. And now the purple that goes through, that's in the flag, it's kind of a more dusty-ish purple. So I'm gonna kind of take Planchette, Lustful, and Sultry and just kind of dip in between all these shades to try to custom make the color I want, because I really don't own a purple that color. So I'm just going to try to build it up until it kind of looks the way I want it to. You know? Yeah, this is pretty close to what I was going for, actually. That's pretty. Well, that was a perfect little combo there. I got exactly what I was hoping for. Ugh, my nose is so itchy. I swear I have cat hairs permanently stuck to my body. I love blues and purples together. I think it is one of the prettiest color combos. It's so cute, and I do not do it enough. Also taking this in the front portion of my lower lash line. Love this Pinky Rose palette. I have not given this enough love lately at all. Now I'm going to take that very first brush, the one that I used with Planchette, with no additional product, just to really start buffing and blending and smoking and all that fun stuff. I love this. So now I want to do I want to do a half cut crease, or do I want it just to be more blended and grungy? I think I'm going to go for just more blended for once. I'm dipping into the Paulina palette, and I'm going to take Paulina because it's just a really good, deeper, hot pink, and that's exactly what I want for this look. So I'm just digging my Anastasia brush in that, and I'm going to pop this all across the lid. I'm just going to keep building it up until I like it, basically. And then I'll have it just blend nicely in with the purple and in with the blue. I really like the colors of this flag specifically because they all work together really well. I don't have a lot of weird contrasting colors. They all flow super, super cute. It's honestly a very cool grungy gradient between all the colors. I'm really vibing with this, actually. And this was really simple. I like because it, in some ways, you almost can't tell where certain colors stop and the other color begins, but all those colors are there, and it's really, really, really pretty. So I want to definitely put Boots in my waterline because I really want that to stand out with the pink. So this is Boots from Colourpop. And then I think I want to highlight my inner corner with my face highlight. But really quick, I'm going to tap my sponge along my outside edge because I realize I haven't done that yet. And now I feel like I haven't completed anything. I'm just going to swirl this little brush in my crystal ball highlight that I used for my face and just pop that in my inner corner for a cute little sparkle. Do I want anything else with this? Do I want one of my tattoo stamps? Maybe I'll do a heart tattoo stamp for Milk Makeup. Where would I want it though? Maybe up here? That'll be cute once I fill it in. Let me get some eyeliner. I almost feel like I need two, but I'm gonna do the other eye. I'm going to do it with just one on each because it might look more complete once they're both done. Put on my lashes and something on my lips, and I guess we'll finish this one up. This one was really simple and quick, but I love it so much. This one might be my favorite so far. I mean, biased because it is my flag, but I just really like this look. It's so grungy and just, it's cute, you know? That's it. This is the finished look. What do you think? I love it. I feel really good in this look. I think it's so pretty. I just love it. I'm in a really happy mood. I love the look I created video that I filmed before this one, and I love this one too. I'm so happy with this. It was very simple, very easy to do, and I just think it's so impactful and absolutely stunning. My lashes are the Rouge and Rogue Miss Fury lashes, and on my lips I went with one of my new lipsticks. This is a Lime Crime Plushies in the shade Mad for Magenta. I love the Plushies formula so much. It's one of my favorite things on this planet, and I just think it looks really cute with this look. I don't think there's anything else I can say about this look. I mean, I put on my blue Amazon wig, my pink beanie. I feel very bi pride, and I love it. I love it so much. If you enjoyed this look, if you're enjoying this series, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. I'm excited to film the other ones as they come up. Thank you again for all the support and love you've been showing. It is just so beautiful to see. If you are not already, please hop over to my Instagram and follow me there. It's beautbean. I post every single day, and don't forget to subscribe here before you leave. I post at least 5 days a week, but it's usually 6 or 7. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.